This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Femoston Conti is a hormone replacement therapy designed for postmenopausal women. It helps relieve various symptoms associated with menopause. Indications and uses. This medication is used to relieve menopausal symptoms such as hot flushes, sleep issues, irritability, and depression. It also plays a role in preventing osteoporosis among postmenopausal women who are at risk of fractures. How it works. It works by supplementing the body with sufficient levels of female sex hormones, thus managing problems associated with hormonal deficiencies during menopause. Directions for use. Take this medication strictly as prescribed by your physician. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. It's advisable to take it at the same time every day to maintain consistent hormone levels. If a dose is missed, take it as soon as you remember, but do not double up to make up for a missed dose, as this could lead to complications such as bleeding. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include stomach pain, back pain, breast tenderness, headaches, and vaginal infections. Consult your doctor if any side effects worsen or if you experience unusual symptoms. Precautions and warnings. Before starting treatment, inform your doctor if you have a history of breast or uterine cancer, unexplained vaginal bleeding, heart problems, or blood clots. Special caution is advised for older women and those with certain medical conditions. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this medication? It is used to relieve menopausal symptoms and prevent osteoporosis. 2. Can I stop taking it once my symptoms improve? No, do not stop unless advised by your doctor. 3. Are there any serious side effects? Rarely, but symptoms like severe headaches or unusual breast changes should prompt immediate medical attention. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback.